Yeah, she's 3 years old!
I am 3.
Not 2! She's suddenly 3 years old!
Hooray!
Can you, like, do some funny faces? Yeah, there you go! Cute! Oh, cute! Are you raising?
Can I point out something?
Yeah!
I would like to point out something.
Point it out.
First of all, I'm on episode 34. Gawr Gura 34.
Flashback.
Fun fact, in Australia, we only have the grades 1 to 5, and in Germany, they have the grades 1 to 6. Where's the rest of them? Where's 3, 4?
Eh?
1 to 6? 1 to 5?
End of flashback.
And also, where's 3, 4?
Yeah! Oh! Did you notice that yourself, or did you read it from someone else?
Oh no, I knew that.
Oh?
I saw it when I saw the stream reservation. I went, no way, 34!
Oh, you noticed it yourself? Okay!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Thank you!
のエイプリルフール配信のインスポにもなっただそうです。ね、あれすごい面白かった。みんな覚えてますか？ What was that? Sound?
I clinked my HoloTalk mug. Forgive me.
I thought it was another secret burp? Shark burp?
No! How could you expose me? Gawr Gura exposed on HoloTalk?
She has human bodily functions?
Gawr Gura burp?
As your genmate, who genuinely thought a lot, very hard, about what her first tweet should be, to leave a good impression, I want to ask you, with a little bit of slight resentment, or not, not really, but why did you just settle for ah? And how long did you think about that anyway?
Honestly, I think the group of us were in a group call. And I think Ina might have said, hey, it'd be really funny if it was just like, up.
No! The legendary first word that you did and that became like a whole thing. You took it from Ina!
Well, it's either that or I asked Ina, do you think it would be funny? Or like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Probably something like, and she's like, oh, yeah, that would be funny if you went, Potentially, Ina's also incredibly memey.
Yeah.
Mimi? Yeah. Mimi.
Wait, I can wave. I can wave hand.
You can wave!
Yeah, you can too in 3.0. You can't.
I can? Shimmy.
It's so silly. Do you need to pee? I'm sorry, it's been over like 2.5 hours. Of course you need to pee.
If you don't let me go, I'm gonna pee in this cup.
No! No. Wait. Oh! She's waving. She's waving.
Hi! Or bye!
Yes,
or
soon.